Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video I discuss the blood supply of the kidney. This is the abdominal aorta. This is the renal artery. The lateral branch of the abdominal aorta supply the kidney. The blood of the kidney is drained by the renal vein, and renal vein drain blood of the kidney into the inferior vena cava. Now I discuss the arterial supply of the kidney. Before that, you have to understand the lobe of the kidney and lobule of the kidney. So this is the hemisection of the kidney. It has outer cortex and inner medulla. So this portion is the outer cortex and this is inner medulla. Inner medulla contain pyramid and outer cortex contain medullary ray. So pyramid and a portion of the cortex, this is known as the lobe of the kidney. And you see, this is the medullary ray. This is the medullary ray. Medullary ray contain the collecting duct. So medullary ray and adjacent to side of the cortex is form the lobule. So this is a lobule of the kidney. This is another lobule of the kidney. This is another lobule of the kidney. So now the arterial supply of the kidney. This is the renal artery. After entering within the kidney, it gives segmental branch, then it gives interlobar artery, then it gives arcuate artery, and then it gives interlobular artery. So this is the interlobular artery. From the interlobular artery, efferent artery is developed, and this efferent artery is from the capillary plexus known as the glomerulus. Here the fenestrated capillary without diaphragm. The capillary type is fenestrated capillary without diaphragm, and this capillary form efferent arteriole, and this efferent arteriole around the nephron from another capillary plexus known as the peritubular capillary plexus, and the capillary type is fenestrated capillary with diaphragm, and from this capillary venule is formed, and then interlobular vein is formed. So this is the example of arterial portal system. You know, the systemic circulation contain one set of capillary, but portal system contain two set of the capillary. So within the kidney we found the example of arterial portal system. So this is the first set of the capillary. Name of the first set of the capillary is glomerulus, and this is the second set of the capillary, peritubular capillary plexus. So you see, a artery is converted into capillary, then this capillary again form artery, and this artery again form capillary. So this is first set of the capillary, this is the second set of the capillary. From this capillary, peritubular capillary plexus, the interlobular vein is formed, then this is the interlobular vein, then arcuate vein, then interlobar vein, then segmental vein, then renal vein. So this is all about the blood supply of the kidney. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.